Sharp, stainless steel skewers hold meat, veggies and fruit for grilling. Flat design is more stable, so there's no rolling when you flip them over. Comfortable handles are easy to grip with hands or tongs. Unique nesting design saves storage space when not in use. Sturdy stainless steel skewers are dishwasher safe. Kabobs might just be the ideal summer food, and now there's a better way to grill them to perfection. With the OXO Good Grips 6-piece Grilling Skewers Set, ingredients slide onto the sharp points with ease, and the flat design keeps your kebabs steady as they cook. The skewers have wide handles for fumble-free flipping with tongs, and a thumb-sized divot that for sliding cooked food onto the plate. The flat design also allows the handles nest together for neat, space-saving storage in the off-season. Dishwasher safe. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent. Finally, skewers that hold food without rotating. I have grilled veggies, shrimp, chicken, meatballs and sausage on these skewers. They hold about 4 to 5 pieces of protein with a veggie or 2 in between each, so about a serving per skewer. Compared to all my other skewers, these are the absolute best. Still, they are not perfect. The ends get hot, so you need to figure out a safe way to turn them when cooking. I use long tongs, but a grill basket with a handle would work too. Once you take them off the grill, you need a hot mitt to hold the end to remove the food if you want to eat right away. I run these through the dishwasher on the top shelf to clean. They are slightly discolored now, but I know they are clean and the finish is intact. Overall, another great OXO product.